Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Light channel. Today we'll talk about a Pangu USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in, guys. We landed to the best zone to buy. So everybody who complain and blame this model, so it doesn't work, guys. It worked like a clock, but of course there's no 100% win rate strategy. But take a look where we stopped. I shared the video about a Pangu after listing around here, the beginning of or middle of December 2024. Even earlier, I guess. Here after listing, I guess on second day or the third one, yes, middle of December 2024. I shared that video and marked the zone of interest. So it was the first zone of interest, 1 cent 43, 1 cent 0.95, 0.2061, 0.2040. And we stop it exactly at this level. Now we bounce it. The road can be open now to 0.5 level by FIP or 1 cent 0.95, 1 cent 43. This one after that would be good to see the correction. Middle term target, guys, where will be okay to fix a profit. It's yearly open and of course 27 block. So 3 cents 38, 3 cents 63 is going to be the okay zone fixation of the swing trades. Invalidation of this idea, it's a drop on the listing price on the beat get. It's 0.402. So this is it, guys. Everything you knew it before, and now to recover back to someone just break-even price, because a lot of people hop in here at 4 cents because people love to see the some meme tokens, with some zeros, and they start thinking, oh, we're going to $1. I don't know why. I don't know why the people, but all the time they wait the $1. Just round number because it's so attractive, right? Nobody want to talk about a downtrend. Now it's okay. It was okay time to, even the best one, to invest up to your own risk into Pangu. So here, now we pump it 152%. So now if you bought it around here at the monthly open, for example, even at the monthly open, you're now around 90% in the profit. So think about it. Maybe it's okay time to withdraw initial deposit. So guys, always better build a plan. If some token not drop to your zone of interest, just skip it. Just skip that token. We can't invest in all of these tokens, because we don't have unlimited budget, right? And yes, technically we can see the new all-time high for the Pangu. We saw the rumors about the potential Pangu ETF. For me, it's kind of weird, right? But we got what we got in this crazy space, like crypto industry, So this was the best zone to buy. 100% withdraw initial deposit. Yearly open is going to be the zone of fixation swing trades. And after that, maybe we'll see the new all-time high. Yes, it's possible to see the new all-time high because I truly believe we will see one more hype around meme sector, right? So we will see. It's just a matter of time. But guys, time to buy was here and still under the okay zone to buy. Highly recommend you just an educational purpose, go and double check the first video about a Pangu. So let's double check with indicator set. Guys, take a look. This is still a free on the weekly. That's why, yes, we can see the pump, for example, to even 1 cent 77. This one, because it's a weekly gap, 50% we can close. And after that, we can drop again. So in this case, yes, we can form something like double bottom, right? And the size of the double bottom will be exactly around here and here. So just in case, guys, we can't know the timing. We can't know because this cycle is so hard. This is really hard mode. Not so easy, like you invest and we skyrocket to the moon. No, it doesn't work like this one anymore. So weekly, daily here, all this in period, guys, if you track with my customer set on ADZ, it was a crazy divergence, and we formed the last low at April 6th, around this one. It was 0.2038. Now we trade at 0.2097, so almost 200%, right? So take a look. Here, it was like good zone. Yes, 150%. Good one. Now it's time to step by step fix a profit. But we can form the higher targets, and form the awareness on a daily. Here was a signal to accumulate. Now no signal to sell. you know, at this current moment on the daily. Also, the people complain, oh, why you showed it after the facts? No, guys, I'm not showed you after the fact. I posted the updates because all of these videos I posted there after the listing, and all zone of interest was showed you before. But people love to gamble with the tokens, right? Now I showed you there how it playing out and why it was a confirmation to accumulate the token at that level. And now we track the current signals. Signals can appear at any moment, right? So it was a disbelief. Here is a capitulation. Here is a disbelief. Now it's aphoria on a daily. Of course, 150%, it's a good time for fixation. Money power, guys, take a look. Money inflow last one, now money outflow. Yesterday was money outflow. So we can't talk always about when to buy. We have to talk also when to sell, when to fix a profit. So the worst case scenario, we can pump like this one and drop. So it can be, yes, this move and drop. And after that, double bottom. Is summer. Yes, we can waste a lot of time during the summer. Trade on, guys. No data, weekly, daily. Last signal to buy. Recommendation close position, take profit. Money outflow, no signal to sell yet. So you can just, if you use, and I highly recommend it to use this indicator set, you can, for example, just go to alerts, turn on the trade on, sell. Here, pretty simple on a daily. Last indicator, guys, take profit. Take profit here. We come back to and rejected it, take profit line on the daily here. It's not a magic. Take profit line was here. 1 cent, 1 cent, round number. I highly recommend you guys don't pay attention now for the tokens which pump at 100, 150, 200, 500%. Take a look which token now around this block on the fundamental value on the daily or on the weekly around the buy line, because a lot of tokens will perform like this one, the same way. So just think about it. This is daily open, and yes, would be good to see the continuation, and after that, retest, for example, and go higher. So monthly open now it's 0.2053, weekly 0.2049. I don't think so we'll drop that low, but we get a chances. We get a chances. Invalidation, guys, you know, idea you know. Highly recommend you go and check first video about a Pangu. Take a look how to work with indentation accumulation pump model. The second one, work with the videos about opens indicator, and I highly recommend you track with my customer set all updates. Like conclusion, I truly believe in new all-time high for Pangu, but it's just a matter of time if we'll see the hype around the meme sector once again. Also, I believe we're gonna test at least 338, 363. Why? I explained it in this video and the first one. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Pangu. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you want to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.